Welcome back to Auto Lab, your trusted source for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the latest update in the commuter segment, Honda's 2025 CB150. A bike that's been the go-to choice for reliability and affordability, now with a fresh twist. Let's break down what the new model has to offer. The 2025 Honda CB150 continues with its reliable, air-cooled 150cc engine, designed for urban and rural riding. Producing a respectable 13 horsepower and 12.5 Nm of torque, it's the perfect balance for daily commutes and longer journeys. Honda's advanced fuel injection system ensures smoother throttle response and improved fuel efficiency, delivering more miles per gallon, a crucial factor in keeping running costs low. In terms of design, Honda hasn't strayed too far from its roots. The 2025 model retains its classic upright stance but now features sharper, more aggressive lines. New color schemes like matte black and metallic red bring a fresh vibe to the CB150 lineup. The seat has been redesigned for extra comfort, particularly for longer rides, and the updated tail section now incorporates LED lighting, adding a modern touch. The 2025 CB150 boasts subtle yet significant upgrades in technology. A semi-digital instrument cluster now comes standard, blending analog ease with digital precision. This display includes real-time fuel consumption, a gear position indicator, and a trip meter, all making it easier for riders to keep track of their journey. Honda's patented eco-throttle technology also helps riders maximize fuel efficiency with the visual indicator, encouraging optimal riding habits. On the road, the Honda CB150 maintains its well-known ride stability and easy maneuverability. The telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers provide a smooth ride, even on uneven surfaces. Whether you're riding through congested city streets or tackling longer rural roads, this bike is built to handle it all. Plus, the ergonomics have been further improved, with a slightly raised handlebar and repositioned footpegs for enhanced rider comfort. When it comes to safety, Honda has equipped the CB150 with front disc brakes and rear drum brakes for effective stopping power. The addition of a combi braking system ensures better braking balance between the front and rear, improving safety in emergency situations. While ABS isn't available, the braking setup is more than adequate for the CB150's weight and power output. One of the highlights of the CB150 series has always been its fuel efficiency, and the 2025 model doesn't disappoint. With an average fuel consumption of around 55 to 60 kilometers per liter, it remains one of the most economical bikes in its class. The 12-liter fuel tank allows for long stretches between fill-ups, perfect for daily commuting or longer weekend rides. As always, Honda has priced the CB150 competitively, making it an attractive option for a wide range of riders. The 2025 model is expected to start at around $1,500, depending on the region. It will be available in dealerships across Latin America, Southeast Asia, and other emerging markets by early next year. To sum it up, the Honda CB150 2025 model continues to deliver on its promise of reliability, economy, and ease of use. With subtle but meaningful upgrades in design, technology, and performance, it remains a top contender in the commuter bike segment. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner looking for a dependable option, the CB150 is worth considering. Thanks for tuning into Auto Lab, and don't forget to subscribe for more detailed bike reviews and updates. See you in the next one. This is Auto Lab, where we keep you updated on the latest in the world of automobiles. Until next time, ride safe and stay informed.